Good afternoon. My name is Jenny, aka 80s Toy Hunter. If you are a subscriber, you know I mainly do videos on travel and just general lifestyle vlogs. But today I decided to do something different. I am doing a video on Dogecoin. I am basically trying to explain Dogecoin for the average consumer who has little or no experience with cryptocurrencies. So if you want to buy Dogecoin, it's the current trend right now. Everyone's trying to buy Dogecoin. I just want to explain to how the average person can buy it. Dogecoin is Dogecoin. They have a website. Go to their website, and they have a great video explaining what Dogecoin is. It's been around, I think, since 2013. I've actually owned Dogecoin since 2015. I'm not just jumping on today's bandwagon. I'm familiar with it. I've been mining and buying it for the last several years. So that's one reason I thought, hey, let me do a video on that because I understand it. Let me just start off by saying that I am not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. This is just me sharing my opinion and experience. My number one rule when buying cryptocurrencies is don't risk more than you are willing to lose. There are no guarantees. So just if you don't have extra money to spend, then don't buy Dogecoin. But if you got $200-300 extra dollars that you can invest, then maybe think about investing it in Dogecoin. I will also say that I am reading from my laptop. I wrote up a bunch of notes because I didn't want to get distracted. I kind of wanted to make sure I was telling everything correctly. So if I start sounding like I'm reading from a teleprompter, I kind of am. I'm reading from my laptop. So let's see, where did I leave off? I do have a basic understanding of cryptocurrencies because I own some Bitcoin, some Mooncoin, some Cardano, and some others. And since I already have these cryptocurrencies, I have a Bittrex account. A Bittrex, Bittrex, I recommend them. I am no way affiliated with them. They're not paying me for this video. I just have been using them for years and I like them. To use Bittrex, I also have a Coinbase account. It's another separate account, but if you're going to get into cryptocurrencies, I recommend setting up a Coinbase account too. Coinbase is a trading account like Bittrex is, but Coinbase does not currently sell Dogecoin, and so that's why I mentioned the Bittrex. And so with Coinbase, I have some Bitcoin on there, and so I'm able to transfer my Bitcoin from Coinbase to Bittrex and then buy Dogecoin with my Bitcoin on Bittrex. It sounds kind of confusing, right? So to do this, you have to have a basic understanding of cryptocurrencies. If you have no idea what I'm talking about, then I recommend using the site Kraken, which does not require a Coinbase account. Kraken, awesome name, Kraken, just like the I don't know, monster, ocean sea monster, Kraken. I just love that name. Let's see. Got lost again. You don't need Coinbase to fund your Bittrex account. You can actually use a wire transfer to fund your Bittrex account, but wire transfers are not instantaneous. They can take, 2 to 14 days. They should be quick, but they're not. Trust me, I've had experience with this through my bank. They always say it's going to be a couple days, and then 14 days later, the transfer still has not gone through. I call them up, and they have no idea what I'm talking about. So I don't recommend doing wire transfers. There's fees for it, and so that's why I use Coinbase associated with my Bittrex. If you want to buy something today, you have no money in your account, and you want to fund it, you can't fund it with a wire transfer because it takes forever. So that's why I'm recommending Kraken, because Kraken allows you to fund your account with a credit card or a debit card. Let's see. But I have a note right here. If you do plan on buying different cryptocurrencies, I still recommend signing up for a Coinbase account. You can use a bank account, a wire transfer, a debit card, or PayPal to buy cryptocurrencies through Coinbase. I like Coinbase Again, they're not selling Dogecoin right now. They might in the future, but right now they're not selling Dogecoin. And I'm like, okay, so here I have a Bittrex account, I have a Coinbase account, and I have a Kraken account. It doesn't cost to have these accounts. Just to hold them, it's not costing you anything. There are fees when you actually do purchases. So you can set up a Coinbase account. It's not like a credit card where you have like a yearly fee. There are no fees until you actually do something within the account. So it doesn't hurt to set up a Coinbase account today, even if you aren't using it today. That's why I'm saying if you want to dabble in cryptocurrencies, go ahead, get your Coinbase account started up. Go ahead and get your Bittrex account started up. But if you really want to buy Dogecoin right now, why it's trending today, I'm recommending Kraken. Kraken, it's an easy enough website to understand. I'm not going to go through it. The website will walk you through it. You just go on, see that register button, fill in all the information it asks you to. It's pretty straightforward. And like I said, you can make purchases with debit or credit card. And I mentioned fees before. Keep in mind, all of these sites do have fees, like trading fees, deposit fees, and withdrawal fees. So just make sure you're familiar with these fees. Realize it's a possibility. Don't be surprised by the fees. They got to make money somehow. I don't know Kraken's fees right off the top of my head. I'm comfortable with them. I think they're fair. I think they're pretty average compared to all the other trading websites. So I'm comfortable with the Kraken fees. Also, when you're creating an account, be prepared to prove that you are a real person. They might ask you for a copy of your driver's license. They might ask you for a copy of your passport. It's been a while since I created Kraken, so I don't remember what they asked, but I know I've had to upload a copy of my driver's license to one of these websites. I've had to text a copy of my passport to one of these websites. So they do make sure that you're a real person, which it's kind of like an extra step, but it's a good extra step. They're being secure. They're being safe in making sure you're not stealing someone else's identity, that you're a scammer, that you're a real person. So I'm glad they are doing this step and making sure that we are real people. Okay, so I'm trying to get this video uploaded as soon as possible because today, January 29th, 2021, Kraken is trending Dogecoin is trending like crazy. So the Kraken website, because it's pretty much makes it easy for anyone to buy Dogecoin, is really bogged down right now. Like if you were to go in right this second, it's probably timing out. It's probably taking a while. Be patient. Everyone is trying to buy Dogecoin right now. That could be a good thing, or that could be a bad thing. But if you really want to, buy Dogecoin, just be patient. And you can go, remember my other recommendation is Bittrex. Bittrex takes a little bit longer, but I don't think they're as bogged down because I think Bittrex, I don't think you can use a credit card. Remember, you have to do that wire transfer, or if you have a wallet or Coinbase, then you can use that to fund your Bittrex. So basically, Bittrex is for people who already have a wallet. So, and that's a whole other topic. I'm getting ahead of myself. So virtual wallet is where you store your cryptocurrencies. So if you have a wallet, that means you already have cryptocurrencies, and you can use that to buy other cryptocurrencies in your Bittrex account. So I lost my what? All right. Once you have set up your Kraken account, you can then buy the Dogecoin. Kraken is a pretty secure website, so you feel safe leaving your cryptocurrency in your Kraken account. You can also transfer your cryptocurrency to a virtual wallet, like I just mentioned a minute ago. But I'm not talking about virtual wallets today. If you don't understand virtual wallets, you can Google it, but basically it's just where you store your cryptocurrencies if you don't want to store it in your Kraken account. It's perfectly safe in your Kraken account right now, so until you are familiar with virtual wallets, just leave it in your Kraken account. It's not going to go anywhere. It's perfectly safe right there. A lot of times some traders are very transferred immediately to their wallet because they're if Kraken's website gets shut down, they don't have access. That's never happened that I know of. So don't worry about it too much. But you do want to have a virtual wallet eventually, because that's how you're going to spend your cryptocurrency. All right. So basically, the website explains to you how to buy Dogecoin, and the website, anyone can do it as long as you can prove that you're a real person and you have money to spend. Remember, don't buy any Dogecoin if you don't have a little extra money that you're willing to invest. Why am I buying Dogecoin? Or I've already bought Dogecoin. The main reason I have bought Dogecoin is because I was totally late to the party with Bitcoin. I do have Bitcoin now, but I definitely didn't get it in super cheap like people from like 2013 or whatever. So I'm willing to take a chance with the Dogecoin. Keep in mind, there are tons of cryptocurrencies out there. Like I said earlier, I own some Mooncoin, I own some Carbano, but right now, Dogecoin is my favorite. I've owned some since 2015. I am a fan of Elon Musk, and he has mentioned Dogecoin several times. Matter of fact, that's why it's trending like crazy right now, because he tweeted something about Dogecoin last night. I am fascinated by SpaceX. I'm a true 80s girl. I love anything to do with space, love anything to do with NASA. I really am glad that Elon Musk is taking that next step with SpaceX, because it seems like the US government quit caring about NASA, which is a disappointment. So I'm glad a private entrepreneur, whatever the word is, a private individual decided to start SpaceX. Dogecoin has the potential to be the cryptocurrency of that space program and maybe a future Mars settlement. This is just speculation on my part. You know, there are other cryptocurrencies out there, but I think Dogecoin has a good chance of being the cryptocurrency used for SpaceX in the future. I'm willing to take a gamble on cryptocurrencies because at this point I have no faith with the US government. I'm a US citizen. If you're not from the US watching this video, I am a US citizen. I still love my country, don't get me wrong, but I have no faith with the government right now. They are totally ruining the value of the US dollar, and so I definitely want to invest my money into cryptocurrencies, which hopefully the US will keep their hands out of and not ruin. Hopefully. I know that the government is trying to regulate it, but they haven't yet, and hopefully they'll keep their mitts off of it. All right, Dogecoin is also still mineable by average people. Mineable is a whole other like video. If you have no idea what I'm talking about mining, it's kind of hard to explain. I'm not going to get into it right now, but I've been mining cryptocurrency since like 2015. So mining is a free way to get cryptocurrency. I still mine Dogecoin today, and I have a couple other like Pi. I'm mining Pi, and that's a whole nother crypto coin. Just Google Pi if you're interested. Pi cryptocurrency, you'll see something. You can mine that for free. And so basically, I say free because mining does like run your electric bill a little up, but it is a way to get it free. It just requires a computer, time, and electricity. So a lot of my Dogecoin I got from mining, and a bunch of it I bought actual cash through Bittrex. So, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So this is a hard video for me because I don't like to get too personal, and this is just my opinion. So it's not, you do what is good for you. You should still research Dogecoin. Don't buy Dogecoin if cryptocurrency completely confuses you, if you don't have a little extra money to spend. But if you do and you want to take a little gamble, why not? But again, I just don't want you to take it the wrong way, because I'm not a financial advisor. I'm telling you what I do. And this is what I do. And I feel completely comfortable buying Dogecoin. But it is trending right now, so I don't necessarily want you to get sucked into that trend. But I like cryptocurrencies. I think they're the wave of the future. And I think they're, people go back and forth on cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin, it's been popular. It's been not so popular. It goes back and forth. It's the wave of the future. These cryptocurrencies, I don't really think they're going anywhere. That's my opinion. So it's fascinating. If you have free time, and don't we all have free time right now because the pandemic and we're all stuck at home. just read about cryptocurrencies. It's really fascinating to me, and it's a little hobby of mine right now, and so that's why I wanted to talk about Dogecoin. I find it funny that that's today's trend is Dogecoin, which I've known about it for years, and so yeah. I'm going to stop rambling right now. I see I'm already at 15 minutes. So if you have any questions, please comment down below. I'll try to answer as best as I can. Again, I'm not an expert. This is just me as a regular person taking a little extra money and investing in cryptocurrencies. I'm not a day trader. I'm not a Wall Street expert, but I'm just a person trying to earn money, trying to pay our bills. And so it's just, just something new, something interesting to learn. So anyway, thanks for watching. Please hit the like and subscribe buttons, and I will see you later.